If a person was on antibiotics prior to doing the test, certain antibiotics make the test unreliable?
If you do the test within the first 5 days of starting antibiotics, you should still see a result. Beyond 5 days, certain antibiotics will eliminate the bacteria from the nasopharynx and will make the result unreliable. The group of antibiotics that eliminate the bacteria are the macrolide antibiotics. These include erythromycin, clarithromycin, and azithromycin.
They know brand names as?
Erythromycin has a number of brand names, but most people know it as erythromycin. Clarithromycin is usually called Biaxin by brand name, and azithromycin is called Zithromax or Z-Pak.